Welcome to the Milsurp Mic channel. I'm here with Nick from Milsurp Duo, and we went on a little buy. We both got a couple of antique rifles from Edelweiss Arms. Edelweiss more or less deals with Swiss firearms, although they do have some other firearms on their site. They had a 25% off Labor Day sale, so that's kind of why we went ahead and pulled the trigger on a couple of model 1889 rifles. We're going to do an unboxing of them. Nick got one, I got one. Of course, buying from Edelweiss, I got this damn song from Sound of Music musical. An old Austrian lullaby. I aimed that at one particular member of the Milsurp World Discord. But anyway, hopefully he knows that he's supposed to be mad at me saying that. We got these for a very good price. And I had them sent to my FFL. They are pre-1898, but somebody still has to sign for them at the door from UPS. And my FFL is really good about taking a lot of non-FFL stuff for me. But you can get a pre-1898, most locales in the country anyway, sent to your door. We'll take a look at these real quick. When Nick and I were texting back and forth about doing this, I already had one in my shopping cart on the site. Nick sent me that one. I'm like, oh, I already got that one. So luckily though, he had a good backup on it.
Absolutely.
So anyway, let's go ahead and check these out.
Let's see what we got here. Let's see. Here we go. Here's the tag right here. This is the 40,000. So this is Nick's. They packed it really well. Nice box. Nice high quality case comes with it. So
nice, bubble wrap.
Set that there for a second. Get this.
So take a look at, and we'll just pull this, get this box out of the way as well, so we know that this one's mine.
Same nice quality casing for yours.
Which I wasn't expecting the the carrying case. So
no,
that's pretty nice, especially after we got these on sale at 25% off.
Yeah, so. All right, we'll go ahead and open her up and see what we got. So. Alright, oh yeah, very nice. Nice original sling. It's got the nice cover, muzzle cover, which a lot of times when you find these are missing. What else we got on here? Stock cartouche, looks like it's been sanded a little bit. So from what I can tell, 554, 554, 554. From what I can tell, it's numbers matching. Mine does have the preservation year of 1933. So other than that, I got a few dings and dents, but nothing terrible. So,
but I mean, Edelweiss definitely has a decent, really good reputation actually.
Absolutely.
And they're not RTI. Most of the time you pay for that just a little bit. They are a little more expensive, but with the 25% off for Labor Day, and depending on when I drop this video, it may actually still be on. It goes until the 10th, but there's a possibility this video may not get dropped till the 10th. So, but anyway. Yeah,
some other nice stock markings. We can throw some photos in there as well. And other than that, I'm pleasantly surprised with it. So, yeah, this one still has come. I remember Othais put on his video later on. They put a little stamped sheet metal stopper so you couldn't do the magazine up and down feature. But other than that, just a few dings and dents. Nothing for the age of the rifle. I'm not going to complain.
Yeah.
So, I think this had a 4 grade as their bore, which we'll take some. We'll look down them later and see what we think of the bores.
Yeah.
Oh, I do have one little crack. The knob is cracked on the bottom, which is kind of interesting. How it's kind of a completely flat crack.
It doesn't have any. Because the website described it very well, and they did indicate that this had that.
Mm-hmm.
But when I think crack, I think a little crack down like that.
Yeah, I'm the same way, but it's flat as can be. That is very interesting. So, but other than that, I'm very well pleased with it. So.
All right. Well,
out here, let you take a look at yours.
Take a look at my rifle here. Now these shoot 7.5 by 53.5, not your GP11.
So it's an interesting way they developed the rounds for these. So originally it was GP90 is what it was known as, which was your 7.5 by 53.5. You also had, later on they developed what's called GP9023. And if you read the loading information, which I kind of am more knowledgeable on, a lot of the trim length on your case is actually it's 54.5.
Yeah.
So it's weird when I load the ammo for you. I'll actually load it. I'll probably load the GP9023 because it's a little bit modern. It uses more of a Spitzer bullet, more prevalent projectile we can get nowadays. But
all right, so mine's just a little bit older than his. Mine does not have a privatization date on it apparently, but you know, it's very good shape. Has the muzzle cap on it as well as the nice sling. Got some nice cartouche there, another one there, and I'll take pictures and put these up as well. Got a really nice one right there. And
notice on yours, you do have the spring clip, but that's easy. It's just a spring clip. You just push on that little nail there, and we can probably get her off there for you. So there's probably videos out there for it.
Yeah. So anyway, this is a very nice rifle. I'm very happy with it. Like I said, I think we did pretty well for
absolutely.
these. You know, RTI has some Swiss rifles right now, but that's just a gamble I really didn't want to take.
And I know you and I had talked about that. I think it's RTIs. You really have to be careful what kind of gamble you're going to get on them. And plus, their price wasn't really.
Yeah.
For these, at least, I wasn't really thinking, okay, that's not what these should really be priced at. That's just me personally. And the Edelweiss had a better price on them before the discount, and then the discount, which I think that's what both of us got to draw to that.
Well, the thing is too is that, you know, I wouldn't mind getting a Swiss P210 or a P49, which they do have on there, and those are more expensive handguns, but that's got to hold off after, you know, my little spree in the Missouri Valley show.
We both had that at the Missouri Valley show, so.
If you want to learn more about some Swiss rifles, click over there. Otherwise, please join the GOA. Get $5 off with the membership below. I will have a link to his channel below. Thank you for watching, and as always, have a great day.